How to change the oil and oil filter in your 2007 to 2014 Escalade, Yukon Denali, and similar GM trucks. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the oil cap. And as you can see, it takes 5W30 oil. And per the owner's manual, it takes 6 quarts of 5W30 oil. So right here I have 6 quarts of oil, and this is the filter that I'm going to be using, the Fram XG10060. So we have the cap off under the hood. Right now I'm on the driver's side, just under the driver's door. And if you look underneath, you can see the oil filter right here. The oil filter is on the driver's side. If you slide across here, you'll see the oil drain plug, which is actually pointed towards the passenger side. So I'm going to remove the drain plug, allow the oil to drain, then I'll reinstall it, and then I'll move to the oil filter. I'm going to twist this off, and then we'll get the new filter on. Now I'm on the passenger side of the truck. You're going to want to get your drain pan into position. And then we're going to use a 15mm socket and ratchet to remove the drain bolt. Install the drain bolt by hand. Use your 15mm socket and ratchet to tighten the drain bolt. My filter was on way too tight. I couldn't get it to loose by hand, so I had to loosen it with pliers first before I could twist it off. If you have a filter wrench, you could use that too. Now that the old filter is off, take your new filter and put some oil in it, and also on the rubber seal. Install the new oil filter by hand and tighten it. I also like to use a paper towel to get extra grip on the filter. And now just use your funnel and fill it up with 6 quarts of oil. Remove the funnel and install the oil cap. To reset the oil life, you need to press the second button, the information button here, until you see oil life remaining. And now you need to press and hold the check button for 5 seconds. And now it's reset to 100%. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.